welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my first weekly update for the MinsGame. This is something that Paula and I decided that we were going to do for the month of May, where we, if you haven't done MinsGame before, on the first day of May, you declutter one item. On the second day of May, you declutter 2 items. The third day, 3 items, so on and so forth, until you get all the way to the very end of May. And your days are progressive. And by the end, you will be, I believe it is 496 items that you'll have decluttered if you actually follow the tiers. And that's a really good thing, to get all of those things out of your life, out of your hair, whatever. Less things is less stress in my world. And I need this. I need this so bad. And so, yeah, Paul and I decided to do this together. Of course, we put it out there. If anyone wanted to join in, we would love to have you on this journey to less, because less is more. It is truly more. And so many people have joined in on Instagram. People have joined in on YouTube. I'm going to try to have everyone listed down below that has joined in. If I have not put you on the list and you are doing it with us, please put it in the comments. I will add you into the description box, because we want to encourage you. We want to encourage others, get the word out that, we're trying to get less stuff, less crap in our lives, because we all need to, this hair, we all need to decrapify our lives. I've seen memes about this everywhere, and it's so true. It is so true. So anyway, I am going to show you like the first 7 days of this entire journey for me so far. I'm just going to put in pictures. I actually have them on my phone right now, but when I edit, I will insert them. Day 1 was a little hair cutting cape. I showed you that in my intro. It doesn't even fit my kids anymore. They don't need it anymore. I have a big adult size one because my kids are huge, and it just makes a lot more sense. On day 2, I have 2 pairs of my daughter's socks. They're superhero girls. They don't fit her anymore. Like, the heels of the socks are about at the arches of her feet. There's no reason for us to keep those. I had gotten rid of tons of them before. These must have been in the wash when I had done like the purge last time and got rid of all of the socks that were this size. So apparently they didn't make the cut last time, but they made the cut this time. They are out of here. On day 3, I have 3, I don't know how to describe them. They were initially candle holders that I had decorated to hold like my brushes and stuff like that. I have definitely cut back on the number of brushes that I own. I still need to do some more of that, but I'm not at that moment. But I just don't need these. The color scheme really doesn't work for me anymore, and I'm learning that I like, in my day-to-day life throughout my house, I like less flash, and I like more calming tones. So yeah, these got to go. On day 4, I have actually 4 things of my daughter's clothes that either don't fit her anymore. The 2 Minnie Mouse shirts on the left, they don't fit her anymore. And the 2 on the right, they were given to us from a family friend when their daughter outgrew them, and they're just not her style, so she opted to get rid of them. I actually asked her, do you want to keep these or do you want to let them go? Because we have gotten bags and bags and clothes from friends and family and stuff like that that were hand-me-downs. And my daughter's actually really good about knowing her own style. Just turned 5 years old. She's like, no. And she'll even say, Mom, I don't really like this one. Can we donate it? And other things. She's like, no, I want that one. So I give her a lot of credit at her age that she knows her own mind. So like I said, 2 that are too small and 2 that she just doesn't want. On to day 5, we have, these are all outgrown things. I have 2 jackets that belong to my younger son that he just doesn't fit in anymore. And then 2 pairs of pants and a shirt that no longer fit my daughter. On to day 6. Did I skip day 6? I for some reason, I don't have the picture right here. I will have to insert it, and then for day 6, I will do like a voiceover for that, because I don't know if it's out of order or if I accidentally deleted it. I still have the stuff in the bag, so we'll get to that in a second. The picture of day 6, For the MinsGame, I pulled it all back out of the bag. These are just some old pillowcases that don't match any sheets. Some of them, I don't think I ever had the sheets. They must have gotten passed on from family or friends, and I just don't use them. They've been in a bin collecting dust, and now they need to go. All right, for day 7, this is little random odds and ends. There is 2 shirts on the far left that are for were hand-me-downs to my boys. It's not their kind of shirt. They don't like those silky material, nylon, or I don't know what you want to call them, but that they don't really like those. There is a bathing suit bottom that doesn't fit anyone. The purple t-shirt, I like it, okay. It just doesn't fit the way I would like it to fit, so I'm letting that one go on to someone else that can actually use it. I have a hair scrunchie that no longer has much elastic in it, winter coat that no longer fits my daughter, and another one of those things at the top that I had decorated to put brushes and makeup sponges and stuff in it that I didn't see in the first on day 3, and I found that one sitting off to the side somewhere, so that one's got to go too. So I will definitely, like I said, I will insert day 6. By the time you're watching this, it will have already been inserted with a voiceover, but yeah, day 6 is, I don't even remember what it was. I have to go through the bag and match up the days and all that other crazy stuff, but it's good. It's good to get all the stuff out of my life. I have like one of those white kitchen garbage bags that has stuff that is donatable. It's already in there, and because it's white and I can't really see through it, it's not one of a case of, oh no, I think I changed my mind and I'm going to pull that bag out. I can't see what's in there, so at this point, out of sight, out of mind, it is going. As soon as I have that bag completely full, or you know, get a little bit further to where I have at least like a substantial donation, I am going to either do online or call for either Purple Heart pickup, and that is who I've been using it lately. I don't know what areas they pick up in. I'm in the Mid-Atlantic region, and I know they do that area, but I'm sure a lot of areas in the States, they have donation pickup. So if you want to make this really easy for yourself, check some of them out. Just, you know, do an online search, and I'm sure you will probably find some. It will make purging the stuff out of your life a heck of a lot easier, and I think all of us could use a little bit of easier in our lives, which essentially is why I'm doing this. Getting rid of all the stuff. I don't have to, you know, constantly pick things up. I don't have to clean around so much stuff. It's really making my whole entire life easier. I want to try to work on the kitchen at some point in this month. I really could use to declutter some stuff from my kitchen. All the gadgets that I don't use, or, you know, you use once a year. Why do you even keep those around? So I'm hoping to get into the kitchen. Let me know in the comments how you are doing with your declutters. Again, if you want people to find you either on Instagram or YouTube, and I haven't already linked you in the description box, definitely put that down in the comments and I will add you into that group, because there are so many people that joined in. I'm sure I've missed someone, and it is not my intention to miss you. I really want other people to you know, be able to follow you along. Definitely go check out Paula, because she is the brave soul that decided to start this with me this month. And I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video and I learn how to talk, have a beautiful day.